Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy using the BonkBot on Telegram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have already BonkBot on your Telegram. To do so, you will need just to go to your web browser, type BonkBot in the URL section, and then just click on Start Trading, and then it will automatically take you to the Telegram page. Open a web or send a message, and you will start being able to use BonkBot. Then you will need just to go to your Telegram and you will have something similar to this page or these commands. And from here, you can use the BonkBot to buy crypto. So now to buy anything that you would like, you will need just to click on buy here, this button. You click buy, and from here, you will need to add a token, or you can just add the bird eye link. So basically, you will need just to put it on the message input. So token, and basically you click enter or just enter the message, and basically you need just to have already an existing token. So basically after that, or after putting a token that is existing, you will be able like to choose how much of tokens that you would like to buy. So as you can see, either you can buy one, or you can click just buy on X and add some custom value. So basically after that, you will be able to go and see the tokens by going to your wallet. So you just click on wallet, and from here you can see your balance, and you can start withdraw your tokens, or you can start having many other action on your wallet. And basically, if you want like to have some auto buy on your BonkBot, you need just to know that there is no currently any bots or auto buying and uh, on a launch here. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.